Is this Bitcoin bounce the start of the upside rampage that is about to occur? Or will the Bitcoin price not hold this key support line and go to this $30,000? Oh my God! Find out in today's video. Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's video, we're going to be covering the Bitcoin price in the short term, and we're going to find out if the Bitcoin price can most likely hold the support line in order to then go to the rampage upside that is around $50,000 as the target price in this pattern right here. So going into the daily time frame, we can see right here that the Bitcoin price is really close to touching this trend line, as I mentioned before, and as we can see right here, the Bitcoin price had a bounce really near this Fibonacci retracement around this 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, and the price is around $37,200 range. And so right now, as we can see right here, the volume is decreasing. So in order for this Bitcoin price to hold this key support line, it has to start increasing in volume, green volume bars, because if it doesn't, it will most likely lose the support line and most likely go near this $30,000 range. But before that, I'm going to pull out the EMA ribbon in the daily time frame. As you can see right here, the Bitcoin price clearly, as you can see right here, was very close to touching this EMA ribbon, and it immediately bounced after being near that EMA ribbon, as you can see right there. Also, another reason I can see why the Bitcoin price made it bounce over there is using the CPR pivot points. Also here, as you can see, this pivot CPR line points also serve as a strong support. These pivot points are the monthly pivot points, which are very strong support and resistance line points, as you can see right here. Also, I'm going to pull out the Williams alligator indicator. As you can see over here, this red line is a very strong support line. As you can see, it has confluence with the pivot points over here, the CPR pivot points, and the EMA ribbon right here, and the trend line over here. So right here, there's a lot of support. So from what I can see right here, maybe the Bitcoin price, after having 4 consecutive daily negative candles, we can see there's a bounce over here. And also I want to pull out the Fibonacci retracement from a different angle, so you can see another reason why the Bitcoin price bounced over here. We go to this swing low to this swing high, and as you can see right here, the Bitcoin price bounced exactly at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, going from this point low, the $25,200 range, to the point high of the $42,600 range. And as you can see right here, it perfectly bounced at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement around the $37,500 range right here. Had a big bounce. Also, we can see a nice daily volume bar with only 8 hours left until the daily candle closes. So that is a good bounce, and also there's some volume over here, but there has to be a continuation in order for the Bitcoin price to confirm this as a legit breakout. Not breakout, but a continuation to the upside. And so right here, that is the daily time frame for the moment. Going into the 4-hour time frame, we can see right here that the Bitcoin price, as I mentioned before, bounce at this Fibonacci retracement, and also it's finding resistance to the next Fibonacci retracement, which is around the 39,400 area right now. And also, I'm going to pull out some indicators so you can see the confluence this has. So right now, the 4-hour candle, in the Bitcoin price is above this EMA ribbon. So that is bullish. That is bullish. Also, we have the falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish pattern also, and we can see that the Bitcoin price is starting to increase in the 4-hour volume bars right now. And also, I'm going to pull out the CPR pivot points. As you can see, as I mentioned before, it bounced exactly at the 37,700 area, and it wicked below a couple of times, but the body candle stayed above this important pivot points and serve as a very strong support, and then we see this bounce, and also the Fibonacci retracement line. Also, I'm going to pull out the Williams alligator indicator right here. As you can see, as I mentioned before, this red line is a very strong support or resistance, or both of both. Right now, the Bitcoin price is finding some strong resistance around this Fibonacci retracement and also around this red line, as you can see over here. As long as this green line stays below this red line stays below this blue line, that confirms a short-term bear trend for the Bitcoin price. If the Bitcoin price can close a 4-hour body candle close above this red line with a volume increase and also above this EMA ribbon, that would be very bullish in the short term, and that will most likely confirm that the Bitcoin price is ready to go to the upside. So as you can see right here, we have a lot of confluence. Red line, also we have a confluence with this CPR pivot points right now. The Bitcoin price is very close to touching it as resistance right now. And the Fibonacci retracement, the red line, the Williams alligator indicator, and the EMA ribbon. So right now, that's bullish right now for the moment. And also, I want to see this moving averages, the simple moving averages over here. Also, this 21 simple moving average is also serving as strong resistance for the Bitcoin price. There is a lot of confluences with the different indicators I have been showing right here. And as you can see, the Bitcoin price is trying to break this Fibonacci retracement. So going into the 1-hour time frame, as we can see right here, as I mentioned before, it is very close to the same things that you're seeing into the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. As you can see, falling this wedge broke out, confirmed as resistance. Then it also formed this falling wedge. As you can see over here, it broke out, confirmed. Now it's heading to the upside, but at the same time, in order for this continuation of the uptrend, it has to have more volume bars over here at the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, the volume is declining while the Bitcoin price is increasing, and that is not the very good short-term bullish thing, but it's something, you know. It's, in my opinion, it's not enough in order to continue for the Bitcoin price to continue going upwards. In order for the Bitcoin price to continue going upwards, the volume has to increase by a lot. Like this bar, let me get this off. Yeah, this line's over here. As you can see right here, this huge green volume bar, it has to have more of those same high volume green bars in order for the Bitcoin price to continue going to the upside right now. So that is mostly the 1-hour time frame, but I'm gonna pull out the indicators in the 1-hour time frame. As you can see right here, there is a bullish uptrend in the 1-hour time frame in the EMA ribbon. As you can see here, it broke then confirm it almost as support. It confirmed it as support, but there's not enough volume over here, so it can do this and then try it again to go to the upside and break this Fibonacci retracement. But for the meantime, that has confluence with the EMA ribbon, the pivot points, as I mentioned before. Here, pivot points, the monthly pivot points, strong resistance, Fibonacci retracement, strong resistance. No, not enough volume to continue this uptrend. That's another, in other words, another resistance. Also, I'm gonna pull up the Williams alligator indicator. Right now, it's on the positive side because the green line is above the red line is above the blue line. So that's a very good bullish 1 hour trend that is happening right now. And as you can see, it broke the red line, which is a very, very strong resistance, and boom, beautiful. Now, most likely, I'm anticipating that the Bitcoin price will get rejected over here. Do this. Try a couple of times, get rejected over here, and if it can hold support over here, it's gonna try again to retest this Fibonacci retracement and try to break out of this Fibonacci retracement. But in order for that to happen, the volume has to increase, like I said earlier, in order for this to play out. So right now, the target price for this falling wedge is around this area, around the $42,000 area. But there's a lot of resistance before the Bitcoin price can reach over there. So in order for this falling wedge price target to be met, it has to break this strong Fibonacci retracement, this monthly pivot point. It has to increase in volume also, and that will be most likely what it's needed in order for the Bitcoin price to continue heading to this price target around $42,000. That is the 1 hour time frame. Going into the 10-minute time frame, as you can see over here, as I mentioned before, strong resistance in the Fibonacci retracement. The volume is decreasing. Also, we're seeing a bearish divergence here on the RSI. As you can see over here. One sec. Here. As you can see over here. Huge bearish divergence in the 10-minute time frame. Also, in the simple moving averages, the price is above these simple moving averages, which is a positive thing, but it's not enough because it's a 10-minute time frame, but it's something for the moment. EMA ribbon, 10-minute time frame is bullish on a 10-minute time frame, as you can see over here. As you can see right here, bearish divergence. Price is going higher while the RSI is indicating that there's a bearish divergence, while the momentum of the RSI is going lower. Also, the CPR lines, as you can see over here, strong resistance, Fibonacci retracement, strong resistance, and also the Williams alligator indicator right now is on the positive, and the red line will serve as a strong support. But since it is a 10-minute time frame, it doesn't hold a lot of significance, but it's something in regards to. So that is the 10-minute time frame. So guys, that is today's Bitcoin technical analysis video. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you can leave a like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel on Crypto Solutions. Also, follow me on my social medias, that is on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram. Also, if you would like to support my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it if you can click on the Bybit link in the description below. There's a bonus of around $500 if you deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin. You will support my YouTube channel by doing that. And if you would like to just go to the Bybit webpage, not using my link, it's okay also. It's your choice. But it is also very important that if you don't have a lot of experience trading in Bitcoin in the short term, do not trade with leverage, because it's a very dangerous thing. You can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. So I recommend that you only trade with leverage if you know what you're doing and if you're also an experienced trader. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate the time you took out of your day to watch this YouTube video. Take care, guys, and peace out.